Ladies and gentlemen, today is an absolutely exciting day today. We have the newest pair of Oakley flight deck snowboarding skiing goggles, and I'm super pumped up about this. Just like all my videos, top link in the description box right below the video will be this exact same pair of Oakley flight deck, where you guys can read more about them and pick it up yourself after the video is done. Now, the seller does give you this cool little case here, kind of an eye cleaning case, little tool, microfiber cloth, some spray. They do that with all their sunglasses as well. The seller also sells Ray-Ban sunglasses that I've reviewed as well. And I do recommend the seller. Once again, top link in the description box below. Okay, so I got my hands on the Torch. I'm gonna botch the pronunciation of it, but Artem, I-R-I-D-I-U-M. And these are the Flight Deck L. I believe these are the large ones. And you are not gonna want to miss this. I've already taken a sneak peek at them, and they're absolutely beautiful looking. So Oakley, of course, has their beautiful little pouch bag here, zipper. You got your little handle on the side right here, coming all the way around. Let's go ahead and get these guys on open right here. Also, inside the pouch, of course, you have your microfiber, very soft microfiber bag cloth, little drawstring, Oakley logo. And then inside, of course, you have your little brochures, manuals, etc. inside. So, are you ready for this one? Absolutely stunning. Not to mention the color as well. Take a look at those right there. Look at how beautiful those are. So, I do already own a pair of Oakleys, but they're the ones, kind of an older model, that you have the bridge right here and then the lenses in the center. Obviously now the lenses have gone all the way up, so it's almost like seamless. But of course, when you flip it over, there's the inside of it right here, where we're going to get to right here as well. Now, we do have some plastic in here. And if you're trying to figure that out like I was, there's a little small tab right here, and then you just pull that up. Okay, so let's get you in a little bit close here, and a little bit tricky with the camera here, but I have Oakley Sutro sunglasses that have this same tint, and it's absolutely stunning, especially when I'm frisbee disc golfing, mountain biking, etc. You have your Oakley logo right on top right here, and again, beautifully frameless. You have your Prism logo right down here by my thumb. Nothing over here on this side. And then you have your beautiful matte silver, just little kind of a trim piece right here on each side with the white band. And then this is just like a little sticker with a little barcode. We'll go ahead and remove that. Of course, your size adjustment, nice big O's on the side right here. You can see the O's on the interior as well. And then all along the band on the inside, you have these anti-slip little lines right here that will give you traction, whether it's on your beanie or your helmet. I highly recommend wearing helmets. And then the top of it here, and then this is all matte white right here. Ventilation, beautiful padding on the inside as well that you're used to. And then on the bottom, more ventilation. And as you can see, the padding, and then where your nose goes right through there, right there. Absolutely stunning looking goggles. I am so looking forward to my first trip up to the mountains with these. I already got 3 ski days in the books. And I also want to mention that this case, this secondary case, so they're in here right now with the drawstring bag. And this case is perfect for my snowboarding bag because I put everything, jacket, boots, goggles, and this is great, just a little added protection to it. I like that. Ladies and gentlemen, those feel really nice. So you can see the subtle logo on the top, but I do have my little kind of lip to my helmet here. I don't have my ear guards on for my helmet right now. Those look really good. Absolutely. Don't be scared of the red tint like this, because as I'm looking through them out to the snow, it's a very bright day outside. Obviously, I'm inside right now, but looking out that direction, it's like any normal sunglasses. It's a very beautiful lens as well. It's the Oakley lens. It's a very clean HD experience. Again, I have the Sutros in this exact same lens for mountain biking. Love them. Nice and tight. You got your O's right here. Nice little logo. Of course, strapped into the back of my helmet here. Nice and aerodynamic. Look at my nose. I got a large nose. Sitting very comfortably on my face as well. I just love the look of these a lot better than my previous ones, which were blue. And they had a blue exterior and then the lens in the middle. They weren't bad, but these are a lot better. Definitely Stoked on these. They look absolutely fantastic. Again, when you put them on, they feel great, they look great, and that definitely gets you excited to do some more skiing and snowboarding. Sometimes new equipment, switching things up a little bit, kind of gets you pumped up a little bit. I got a new jacket, new goggles now. Things are looking up, baby. My puppy agrees. All right, I'm just showing you one more shot here. I switched helmets. This one does not have the brim. This is more of like a skating helmet. This is actually my river surfing helmet. And the goggles literally sit. There's just a slight, like the goggles are just flipped right out from the helmet here. I'm in between, because this one does fit pretty nice. I'm in between if I should use my other helmet or this one. I kind of like this helmet. Fits a little bit better. Feels a little less bulky, but I do want to give you a different option. It folds flat right here, which I like, and then you got your non-slip adhesive underneath as well. So just giving you a different option if you have a different helmet like this here. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Once again, top link in the description box right below the video will be these exact same goggles in the exact same color. The company sells so many different color schemes. Definitely check out that link. Pick yourself up a pair. Please, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. My name is Chris. I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.